Hello. How's everybody doing? All right, how you doing?
Wax. This is what the wax looks like before it's melted. It comes with flakes. Okay? Now, we put the wax in here and we melt it. Now, we're going to fill up these containers. Now, I want you all as a team to discuss before we start to fill up anything. I want you all to discuss what fragrances you're going to use, you're going to and how many candles that you want. So that way you will know how many of these containers we need to fill up. Now once these containers are filled, you give them to me, what you want to do is that you're going to be taking the temperatures.
So that means that you don't need 4 ounces then of each thing.
Sage, can you please show us how you do this?
If you're going to do different ones, then you don't need a
What you
full 4
do is,
ounces.
so you pull out the wick.
You
You
do
pull out the
4.
wick, you get this tool.
You did 2
And you
ounces?
push it down, you wiggle it a little so
But
it
you
gets
poured
straight
this
up.
much. You're
And
saying
then
I'm going to put
pull it
4,
out. It should
then
be
another 4.
straight right from right there.
It should
be straight like her.
Are they going to all be the same fragrance?
Okay, so
What we're going to do is we're going to set this aside, and we're going to decide on if we're going to do the top of this, or if you're going to discount it.
okay, so how do you guys? Can you walk us through your steps in the design process?
First, we open the candle to make sure it doesn't smell. It's perfect and you smell that we're supposed to be labeling. So you open it. This one is golden hour, which smells so similar to soul and strike and bath.
Can I see the thing? Thank you. Okay.
And after that, we check if there's a wick, which there is. And after that, we'll close it. We'll put on a label. Super cute, very fancy. And then we'll close it. Put it on. Close it. We gotta record that.
Hi, Ailey.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Listen, I noticed you're putting some wicks in the tins. Why is it important to put them in correctly?
Because if you don't, you could possibly have a candle, like, for instance, these two, they're not going to be useful because the wick is not standing, so it's just going to be, like, most likely going to put air bubbles because the way it's going to be folded down into the tin. And with this one, the way it's folded, it's just going to, you're going to have to light it from right here, and that's not good.
So do you have to really stick them down there really good, or?
Yeah, for instance, this one or this one. See how they're sticking up? This could be used.
So if it's not stuck to the bottom real good, what happens?
It could possibly, when you're putting in the wax, it could possibly like lift up, and then that way you won't, the wick will be floating and stuff like that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What's it supposed to be at?
155 before you pour it.
I poured it. Oh, mine's at 175.
Yeah, mine too. 174. Mine's at
155.
You pour it and then 155 has to go lower.
Everybody, this is the Golden Six. This is me, the craft maker. We made some candles for you. We made candles, caramel popcorn, ocean breeze, golden hour, and I think the day of the spa, or probably not. Well, these are our boxes right here, our boxes. Golden Six, caramel popcorn, hot apple, and golden hour.
We're done, Mr. Porter. We're done.
And here's our boss. Hey, Layla. Can you say hi to the fans over here? Can you say hi? Hi. And here's our assistant leader.
This is our assistant.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Alina Lewis.
What is your business's name?
Our business name is the Golden Six.
What is your business's slogan if you have one?
I think it's like, you gotta be bold to get this goal.
Cool. Okay. What is your favorite part of candle making?
My favorite part of doing candles is I like to be the one who's in charge of everything, and I like doing that. But I also like how it helps me bond with my friends that I don't really talk to in class.
Okay. What is your least favorite part of candle making?
My least favorite part is probably just like the way that it's like set up. I feel like it could be more organized and have like more organized things.
Explain more when you say setup.
Like it could be like more like organized, because like it's a little like off a little bit. I know there's not a lot of space, but it's just a little bit tight and cramped and stuff. And just like sometimes the people just get a little bit rowdy and stuff and don't do their job exactly right. And so I think that they should leave and not be in it if they can't do it right. That's just my opinion.
Okay. What if you could change one thing about candle making, what would it be?
Probably make it 6 and up. Sorry.
Alright, thank you for doing this interview with us.
Bye.
And we have another one. I wonder where he went. He left, but he'll be back. And I'm also another employee. We're here today because we're just making candles. We want you to smell it. We want you to know how good it smells. You gotta make the interview. Just do that. Well, it is a great time seeing y'all because we're so good. We cannot wait for you to come smell these things. You hear me? You will buy this at our store, and it will smell like you never smelled it.
Okay, so Casey, how do you think of the class so far?
So the class is pretty good right now. I really like everything that we're doing. And yeah, the class is very good. I really, really like it.
Okay. So what is your position in the job?
My position is product managing team. So we would make all the logos, try to make some different ones if some don't work, and try to get people to like our logos and be more interested in us than the Golden Six, and have more interest in what we're doing.
Okay, so can we see one of your projects?
Yes, we can. So right now, Addison's working on one right now. So right now, she's trying to add a little bit more spice to everything that we're doing.
Okay, we're working with something. Okay.
Okay. So here's one of our other projects that we've done, and this one was a bit complicated. So what we did was we added a bit of neon stuff to it, and then well, just follow me. Just follow me. And so Okay, so what color? So we have $125.
Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Jonathan Taylor.
And what group are you supporting?
I'm supporting Simply Sniff.
Simply Sniff. Okay. Who is your leader of Simply Sniffs?
Our leader's name is Brielle. Brielle.
How do you feel? What do you like about candle making?
I like the teamwork and communication, but sometimes it can get a little crowded and rowdy. But we always work through it.
What do you not like about candle making?
What I don't like is sometimes when one person does something wrong, everybody else jumps in and tries to lecture them. But everybody makes mistakes, so that's just, I just don't like that.
Okay, you don't like that. What is your favorite sniff? What is your favorite scent of all of yours?
I think I'm gonna have to say my favorite is Golden Hour.
And why do you say that?
Because for two reasons. It smells really good, and also there's this song that I like, and it's called Golden Hour.
How do you like the people who are providing all these candles for us?
I really like it. I also like the support they're giving, and the fact that they're training us to be better.
Do you think there's something they can work on?
There's a lot of kids here, so making time. I say there's a lot of kids here because I see why sometimes they don't have enough time to focus on one person, but I would say that maybe they could put us into a group of the people they're gonna help. And for example, let's say I was doing the interview. It could be me, Emmanuel, and Kason, and Mr. Porter puts us all in a group so we can do it together. That way he reaches more people when he's talking, and also people, it's more organized.
And lastly, what is your slogan, or do you have a slogan?
Yes, you do. Our slogan is Simply Sniff. It should be so easy.
Thank you.
Each one of you should have a cup. Go get some of those. There should be a cup with some of the little funnels. You found some? So each one of you are going to take one.
Let me focus in.
Give each one of them.
You get one, you get one, and I get one.
It's more working.
So, you fill up your cup.
Hang on, pull up the time.
What you're going to do, you said you're going to take your funnel, put it in here. I'm going to show you all how far to fill it up. Okay. I want both of you all to look at this. This is how far I want you to fill it up to right here. Now, when you start pouring this in here, you have to pour a little bit, stop, pour a little bit, because if you just keep pouring, it'll overflow. Okay? Now, once it's filled, before you do anything else, you're going to put a top on it, okay? So,
That's my cupcake.
it's okay. You can come down here. You come down here. No, you're not. So,
That's what I'm good at.
okay, take it over to the table.
We're teaching them this.
Are all these the same?
Yeah, those are pumpkin spice. That over there is pumpkin spice.
Okay, so be
Look at that
sure.
label.
Yeah. Now also.
So add this